Good morning, students. You are welcome to Veda's online classes. Today's we are going to learn about antonyms or opposite words. So, in today's class, we will learn 10 antonym words along with their Hindi synonyms. The first word is here able. It means yogya in Hindi and its antonym is unable, that means ayogya in Hindi. The second word is ability, that means yogyata in Hindi. Its antonym is disability, that means ayogyata in Hindi. Next word is accept, that means स्वीकार करना in Hindi. Its antonym is reject, that means अस्वीकार करना in Hindi. The next fourth word is active. Active means सक्रिय and its antonym word is passive, that means निष्क्रिय. Next word adult, that means vyask. The person who has attained the age of 18 years is called adult person. Its antonym is child, that means balak. Another word here it is above. Above means upar in Hindi and its antonym is below, that means niche in Hindi. Seventh word is here absent. It means anupasthit, means to be away from the class or from some meeting or like that. Its antonym is present, that means upasthit. The next word goes acknowledge. Acknowledge means स्वीकार करना and its antonym is deny, that means मना करना or reject करना in Hindi. Another word here it is advantage. Advantage means लाभ and its antonym is disadvantage, that means hani. The last word of this class is agree, that means सहमत होना and its antonym is disagree. It means असहमत होना in Hindi. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Thank you very much.